Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 96 Dodge Viper GTS. It's by Hotwheels and it says it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Viper out of its box. And the first thing you will notice is this paint. Looks really good. And I think I've seen a Viper in this color. And it is like an extra color. And I'm sure this is a new one because it's got some great details. Let's start from the front. So up front you've got detailed headlamp, you've got the Viper badge. There you can see the lower grille. It's not detailed but it's there, so is the fog lamps. Also you've got this vents and this paint where the white racing stripes go from all the way from front to back. Looks really good. Has also got both the mirrors. Good job, Hot Wheels. Coming to the driver side, wheels. These are more of wheels which Hot Wheels have been using for such a long time. They kind of suit it because this is from 90s, the actual cars, so they don't look bad here. And it's nice how they have captured all the details. Coming to the back, again good details here. You can see detailed tail lamp, Viper on the number plate, and the twin exhaust, and the racing stripe continues. Also got this big spoiler. Good details in the back. Coming to the driver's side, the passenger side looks almost identical. Only difference being the fuel filler cap here. And this is how it looks from the bottom. As you can see, it's 25. Overall, well, let's look at the interior before we go overall. I think the interior is done in black. So yeah, overall, well, this is one of the I would say nicely detailed casting from Hot Wheels of this Viper. I think they had this generation of Viper in their casting before, but it wasn't as detailed as this one. So this looks really good, and I think you should get this one. It will sit really well with your collection of American sports cars. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.